Hello, guys, and welcome to the Decampers.
I'm Nick,
I'm David.
and right now we're clearly not in our camper. We're in our sticks and bricks. This little video is just kind of like we're really missing the RV. It's in the dealer for warranty work. We're getting a new recliner love seat.
Yeah, new recliner love seat.
Which is pretty awesome because we've had the RV 11 months. And now we get to, right, 11 months.
11 months, yeah.
Okay, so now we get to start over with a brand new love seat recliner set after getting used it for a year. So we get to start all over with brand new recliner set.
Woo!
We're super excited about that. So anyways, yeah, so when your RV is getting repaired and you can't go camping, plus it's about to like snowstorm, right?
Yes, we got a snowstorm coming.
Like when?
Late this morning.
Like 1 o'clock or something like that.
Like 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm sure that's not late morning, but you know.
Anyways, we got a snowstorm coming, and the temperatures are supposed to be like, what's the low? Like 9 or something coming?
The low for tonight will be around 29, but tomorrow it'll be 5.
5?
Yeah, 5 or less.
I didn't realize that.
Yeah, it's going to be cold.
So yeah, when your RV is in the shop and you can't go camping and it's snowing, so you wouldn't have anyways. What do we have going on tonight? We're drinking wine.
Wine.
Cheers.
Cheers.
We're watching Two Queens. Not us.
No, not us. It's the new Queen Mary movie.
It's not Queen Mary. It's, what is it called?
Oh goodness, I couldn't tell you.
Something about two queens. Old timey days, right?
I know Mary is on the title.
Okay, so something about two Queen Marys. Y'all probably know exactly what we're talking about. We've had wine, so we're forgetting a little bit. And we've worked really hard today. We had a really productive day today.
We did.
We sold our golf cart.
Yes.
Aww. But because we want a 6-seater.
Yep.
2-seaters just ain't our thing.
It's not enough.
When we go camping, riding around, we have like an entourage. We need seats.
Yes, and a sober driver.
And a sober driver. So if anybody out there is like, what, 16? You gotta be 16?
Yeah, if you're for hire and you have a valid driver's license.
And you don't mind driving around like 5+ people who've had wine in a state park,
please
comment below.
We need help.
In the northeastern Oklahoma area.
Yeah.
So, and also, what did we do? We are getting a jump start on spring.
Yes, we are so ready for spring. We have been out in that yard for the past month, cleaning, raking.
Yeah, David's really been busting ass.
I'm ready for an easy yard to mow.
We have redone like planter boxes, gardens along the walkway.
Yes.
New trees, evergreens, because, you know, winter here, everything dies off and it's just ugly sticks.
And we're really excited about the new landscaping light that we've done.
Yeah, we did landscaping lights all along the puppy's getting in the way. All along the like walkways and around the house. We've got like, we put up spotlights in the trees, and we just had a really productive day today. And so now it's our turn with wine.
Yeah,
cheers for the hard work.
To that.
So yeah, wine, cheesecake, cheese, and Barry, our puppy, is trying to get mine, and a movie about two Queen Marys.
Mm-hmm.
So, but anyways, side note, there is a YouTube channel that we've been watching for a while now. The Glamping Guys.
The Glamping Guys.
Yeah, we really like the Glamping Guys. If you haven't checked out their channel, you need to go check it out. Those
they're
guys
really great.
Yeah, they're great. They're fun. They always make us laugh, and they're out, you know, seeing like cooler places than we're going to see, right?
Definitely.
They met Dolly Parton.
Very nice.
So I'm not gonna give any spoilers on that, but you guys should go see the Glamping Guys Dolly Parton meet and greet. But so cheers to the Glamping Guys.
Cheers to them.
They've been part of what, like, inspiring us to do our little channel.
Yeah, we've been watching them for a long time now, and it's always really great to see what they're doing and kind of pick up on some of the ideas that they got going on.
Yeah, they've also like got the party lights on point.
Yeah.
And so basically, like, we have done yard work, and since we can't go camping, we've watched the glamping guys.
Yes, we've been watching YouTube videos about RVs.
They started our weekend out right with a new video.
Yes, they did. Yeah.
So shout out glamping guys. This drink is to you.
Cheers.
Cheers to the glamping guys.
Cheers to you.
So I guess we're gonna like finish this glass of wine. We're gonna eat some cheese and cheesecake. We're gonna work on our bellies.
Yeah, we're gonna get fat together.
Oh yeah, I mean, true love is start out skinny and get fat together.
That's how it works, guys.
Yeah, and watch our movie. So, anyways, thanks for coming to see the Decampers. Most people who are watching this are probably the same people who keep watching. But if there's new people, hey, hello, new people. We're so happy to see you. Please hit that
like button
and subscribe button.
And we will see you guys next time.
All right. Happy weekend, everybody.
Happy weekend.
The puppy got me again.
Happy
Cheers.
wine time.
Happy wine time. Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
Bye.